Time now for Options Insight. I'm Abigail Doolittle. Joining me today from Chicago at the CBOE is Scott Bauer of Prosper Trading Academy. Scott, great to have you with us as always. And before we delve into the world of options with so much going on there, let's talk macro, because what a day, what a couple of days here for stocks, but really a bullish reversal on the day after yesterday's rebound rally, the sell-off on Monday, stocks lower last week. What do you think is next?
You know, I think we're going to have a lot of sideways trade here over the next couple weeks as maybe the administration starts to work things out a little differently with China, or as we get a little bit more clarity what they might be doing with the yuan. So I think we're going to get some sideways trade. I do think that overnight, Monday night, when we saw the big, massive flush out, I was waiting for that to happen either yesterday or today, because typically that can signal, maybe somewhat of a bottom. But the fact that it happened overnight as opposed to like during the market hours, during open trade, didn't really satisfy that. We got that this morning, and that's why I think now, not that this rally is going to necessarily hold, but I think we move sideways here.
Okay, so a little bit of a flush, but not quite a capitulation bottom. Talk to us about what you are seeing for options. Is there a ton of call buying out there?
Actually, Abigail, this morning, and I'm standing in the VIX. I'm standing in the VIX pit here. This morning, there were tons of option call sellers out to October and November. Not the near term, but out to October and November, telling me that retail right now is thinking, maybe volatility may persist in the short run here, but moving out towards the fall here, things are probably going to calm down.
And is there anything else that you're seeing there that you can give us some perspective? Because that is very helpful in terms of thinking that August and September could continue to be very powerful in terms of selling, and then maybe some stability in that fourth quarter. But what else are you seeing there relative to options to give some of those insights?
Yeah, you know what? I'm seeing the same thing in the S&Ps as well, that there were a lot of put sellers that came in this morning around the same time that there were call sellers in the VIX. Put sellers came in going out to end of September and October as well, kind of signaling the same type of thing that, maybe some near-term volatility, but moving out, some stability.
Very quickly, before I let you go, what would be the one thing that you're watching to kind of turn all of that around, thinking that the fourth quarter will be tough? 5 seconds or less.
5 seconds or less. Interest rates here. I hope they only lower a quarter next month, and we keep the stability here. Earnings have been pretty good.
Got to leave it there, but if rates go lower, bad sign for stocks. From New York, this is Bloomberg.